Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Chatsonic AI in 2025. So whether you are a freelancer, content creator or just starting out, these methods are simple, fast and beginner friendly. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come at writesonic.com and then log in into your account. Once this step is done, you will be able to easily access Chatsonic. So this is the dialog box where you can provide your prompt. So if you are a freelancer and you want to use Chatsonic for content writing, you can provide this type of prompt over here, which is write a 700 words of blog post on top digital marketing trends in 2025. So you can just get this blog post from here and then you can sell it on the websites like Fiverr, Upwork and People Per Hour, where clients can give you money for these types of writings. Now in the method 2 of making money online is via social media management. So you can offer social media content packages, and for that you can use Chatsonic to create the captions, scripts, hashtags for your Instagram, LinkedIn and TikTok accounts. For this purpose, you can come at this page and provide this prompt that says create 5 Instagram captions or LinkedIn captions or TikTok captions for a skincare brand launching a new serum. You can just change the prompt as per your brand or what you are targeting, and then you need to press enter. Now you can even use it to make a faceless YouTube channel. So Chatsonic is actually help you to generate useful scripts, and you can pair them with the stock footages or AI voices. For that you can use this prompt here, which is write a 2-minute YouTube script on 5 ways to save money in 2025. Then once it gives you the response, you can use that script in order to create videos on YouTube, and from those YouTube videos you can make money online. So these were some of the methods that you can use in order to make money from Chatsonic. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.